In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can recover your Xbox or Microsoft account if you don't have access to the email or password. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice on a secondary device and type in recover Xbox account. Hit enter, select the first link right here. It's going to then take you to a page that looks like this. And you need to go ahead and obviously reset it using your email address or phone number linked to the account. And that's only if you did forget your password, and you could just select reset your password just like so. But if you don't have access to your email, phone number, or password, the process obviously does take a few extra steps. You need to scroll down on this support page right here until you see the option for recovering your Microsoft account online. In this section, you're going to see a bunch of different forms. You need to select the one to open up the account recovery form. So select this one, then hit recover your account. It's going to then redirect you to a page that looks like this. Enter in as much information as you can possibly provide. Obviously, if you don't have your email, phone, or Skype name, you can go ahead and put something in, but make sure you put some sort of like contact email that they can reach out to you with so that you can explain the entire situation. Just make sure that you provide them as much details as possible. Otherwise, this will not work. But yeah, really it's as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.